Want to feel like a superhero? This beet salad and drink duo will give you the boost you need. First up, our powerhouse, beet, onion, and cucumber salad. Start by peeling and grating 2 medium beets. Next, slice up a red onion and a cucumber. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a touch of honey if you like it sweet. Toss the beets, onion, and cucumber in this zesty dressing. Sprinkle with fresh parsley or cilantro and some chia or flax seeds. Let it sit for 10 minutes to blend those flavors. Delicious and detoxifying. Now for the bonus beet detox drink. Blend 1 medium beet, half a cucumber, a squeeze of lemon, an inch of ginger, and a cup of filtered water or coconut water. Add honey for a touch of sweetness. Strain or enjoy as is. This combo supports liver detox, boosts energy, and hydrates your body. Enjoy and feel the beet power.